Hi. In this video, you will learn how to use CapCut templates in PC. Install the CapCut from description. That is, official Windows Store version. After installation, when you open CapCut, you won't see any templates section, many other YouTubers saying, CapCut templates not available on desktop. They don't know much. I got solution for you. Just install this VPN or any other VPN and turn it on. Select USA location and open the CapCut again. Now, as you can see, Templates section is available now. Open the CapCut templates, and now you can turn off VPN so it load without any problem. From here, choose any template which you like. Then just click on Use Template. It will download the template and import into CapCut Editor. So that's how you can use CapCut templates on desktop. You need to turn on VPN every time to use this feature. VPN link in the video description. If you find this trick useful, then you might like other trick for CapCut. Go and watch that video from our channel. Like and share this video. Also subscribe our channel. Peace.